The ravages of climate change has continued to cause destruction in all corners of Zambia. In Sinda and Nyimba district in Eastern Province, more than 90 households were brought down after heavy rainfall. Eastern Province Minister Makebi Zulu and a team from the Disaster Management and Mitigation Unit visited the districts in order to inspect the damage done.
Ngaboma tunayavyeni litrack yukuza kutuma kuosaka ileta kuva kulya ngakanuzira unga wafumu wanaka vakulya vanongeza so tuone mati ngayavile ngapa vakulya papanthawi ino timulemekera tukona tumalata patuwere kapena na simenti tuone mati ngayavile oyambira tyala.
These are words from the affected people.
Around 02 hours. But chimboti manzi sote tachoka. So munganda mwenze 6 bags ya urea esingulika. Mwenze na ma green label yali 4 ya milisi. Yonse yembira mumanzi. And then ipovuala hivi. So vikulu tyava tudandaulako ni milisi na fertilizer kozi milisi erandira kale tia patembekezera kuika yapa urea.
And DMMU team leader had this to say.
As a quick response, DMMU has dispatched relief materials to ensure that those households which are affected are mitigated in terms of their livelihoods. We have brought milieu, we have brought roofing sheets, we have brought cooking oil and carpenter, and also we will be working on the bridges which have been washed away. In Sinda district, as you saw, we're on the ground, we had 41 houses which were affected, and even for those houses actually in terms of response, we're going to provide roofing sheets so that the households are actually helped.
Later, the provincial minister paid a courtesy call on Chief Ndake of Tensenga-speaking people in Nyimba district and also inspected the Msima bridge that had been submerged due to heavy rainfall. Sylvester Shimba for Zanis in Eastern Province.